Welcome to this video demonstration of EVSE 55. This is based upon EVSE 4 with a couple upgrades. This one features the quad meter, and it still has an external button to reset the kilowatt hours by simply pressing and holding until the display starts blinking, and then tapping it once will zero it out. This also has the 80 amp 120 volt / 240 volt relay upgrade, so that this unit can run on both level 1 and 2. So here's the familiar menu that all the OpenEVSEs have. In the upper right corner you can see that it's currently detected we're plugged into 240 volts, so it's level 2, and it's set at 40 amps. Press that, goes back to the back screen, which is sleeping. That's more useful if you have the onboard timer. Now let's press and hold to get into the menu. So the first one is the service level. Here you'll press and hold, you'll tap to scroll, and you'll press and hold to enter. So we can see that it has auto, level 1, or force level 2. We're going to go ahead and leave it on auto because that's the best choice for the hardware that's in this box. Next is the max current. This can be dialed all the way up to the maximum ability of the EVSE. I edit the firmware so that it matches the hardware that is in the box. In this case, we can go all the way up to 50, and we can roll all the way down to 6. If you were to use this with a wall adapter and plugged into an alternate outlet other than a NEMA 1450, which is what the plug comes with this unit is, then you could dial your amperage in to match your source. This is most useful if you're plugging into, say, a 120 volt wall outlet. But you may find that you want to use this on the road and plug it into say a 240 volt air conditioning outlet, and I provide the adapters for all those. So we can put this by just tapping. We choose our levels, and it advances in 2 amp increments. The diode check, vent required check, ground check, and GFI self-tests all should be set to yes or on by default and left that way. Those are in the menu for diagnostic purposes for a technician. Then we have restart and exit. We can simply exit, we didn't change anything. If you had the unit hardwired, that reset feature is nice if you need to reset the unit. It's a convenience feature instead of having to go to the breaker panel. This unit also has the monster cable power range upgrade. This cord has a little dim power flow indicator, they call it. Lets you know that things are plugged in and power is flowing. And I just have this plugged into a temporary test cord to light it up for the demonstration. But you can see it's a nice heavy cord. And then here we have the custom BSA braided whip.